Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll be talking about rate limiter. We'll be building our own rate limiter from the scratch without using any dependency. Now what does rate limiter does? It limits the number of requests that an IP can call or make into our API. So first of all, you need to have your Express installed and Node more. Like I said, we'll be building this from the scratch. So first of all, we need to declare a variable called rate limit. Rate limit, and declare new map. We're going to store every request coming into our application or into our server. We're going to store it into this rate limit. So what we need to do is to set the window size and set it to 60 seconds. 1 minute. So also we need to declare our max request, the request we want that our user to always make into our API, the number of requests our route should receive for a particular user or IP. So now we can actually implement our rate limit middleware. Next, I know you already know how to set up these things. So what we need to do right here is to get our user IP, and also we need to get our current date. After that, we need to check if our IP does not exist in our rate limit. So we check if not rate limit the errors IP. Alright, so we do rate limit dot set. We'll set our IP, and an empty array. So what we'll do, we'll declare a timestamp. Let's see, rate limit dot get. We need to get our IP. We need to get our IP for that. So what we need to do now is to look through our IP, and get look through our rate limit and get all our IP available. So we do while. I'm going to use while loop timestamp dot length and timestamp is less than. Do is less than now minus window size. So we do our timestamp dot shift. So that is all we need to do here. So next we need to check if the length of our timestamp is greater than the max request. So the if max request is greater than, sorry, if time dot length is greater than max request, they will block this particular user. So we'll say return res dot status, say for 429 .json, the error message, with the to any request. Please try again after let's see, after 1 minute, because 1 minute, because that is what we set here. The request will be open to the user after 1 minute. So what we need to do is timestamp.push, and now we use the next function. So this is what we need to do to set up our rate limit. So I'm just going to go over the application again before I test. So we set the window size to 1 minute, and also we set the max request to 5 minutes. So only 5, we allow only 5 requests into this our API, our route. So once it's greater than 5 requests, it's going to block this user from making this request for 1 minute. Yeah, so we are storing our IP into this rate limit. Yes, and we are getting it here. All right, and we are pushing the present time into this timestamp. So that is how simple as it is. So let's go on to test our application. So I'm going to make 5 requests into this API. Let me just call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all right, so you see it's working. It's too many requests. Please start, try again after 1 minute. I want to call my status here, say status, code, say 429. So yeah, so I'm going to make this request again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make it 6 times now. You see we get a block, right? So if we wait for 1 minute, right, see this request will come back online. So 1 minute is much, but I'm gonna cut this video and try again after 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video to 1 minute. Let's try it again. Okay, we're still hanging there. Let's keep trying. Still there. All right, so you see after 1 minute our request, we can make that same request. So this brings it about rate limit. That if you want to implement it manually, please like, share and subscribe. And if you also have any question, drop it down the comment, and see you in the next one. Thank you.